11 incredible foods that calm autoimmune diseases. Number 11. Bok choy. Loaded with vitamin K and polyphenol, bok choy possesses health-promoting properties vital for a robust immune system and the prevention of inflammation. Maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for preventing chronic diseases, and bok choy is particularly beneficial for thyroid health if you have a thyroid disease. Number 10. Leafy greens. In our fast-paced world, where caffeine and stress deplete magnesium, it's increasingly important to replenish these nutrients in our diet. Consider adding a salad to your meals, mixing spinach into your eggs, or tossing some arugula with whole grain pasta. Dark leafy greens are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that safeguard healthy cells from damage and help reduce inflammation. They also serve as a good source of magnesium, an essential mineral for supporting a healthy immune function. Number 9. Turmeric. Research indicates that curcumin, found predominantly in the root-based spice turmeric, offers therapeutic benefits for various autoimmune conditions, including rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and ulcerative colitis. This spice, commonly used in Indian and Asian cuisines, is most effectively absorbed when combined with a source of healthy fat and black pepper. Consider incorporating black pepper and turmeric into dishes like scrambled eggs, stir-fries, and soups. Number 8. Broccoli and cauliflower. Sulfur-containing vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale play a protective role against cellular damage. To include these in your diet, try roasting cauliflower and broccoli with olive oil, salt, and pepper, adding cabbage to vegetable soup, or using shaved Brussels sprouts as coleslaw. Number 7. Salmon. Including foods rich in omega-3s and protein, such as salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, in your regular diet can alleviate painful symptoms. Opt for wild salmon as a salad topping and incorporate chia and hemp seeds into smoothies. Number 6. Berries. All types of berries are beneficial for managing autoimmune diseases. Incorporate blueberries into oatmeal or add strawberries to your spinach salad to provide your body with essential prebiotic fiber and antioxidants. Number 5. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut and other fermented foods like kimchi, kombucha, yogurt, and kefir are excellent sources of healthy bacteria. These probiotics help combat harmful bacteria and aid in nutrient synthesis. Enhance a simple sandwich with sauerkraut, pair your lunch with a small glass of kombucha, or create a breakfast parfait by layering berries and yogurt. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil stands out in fighting inflammation due to its antioxidants. The genes and proteins in extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, also play a role in mediating inflammation. Always choose EVOO, as it signifies that it has not undergone heating or chemical processing. If you want to learn more about the benefits of extra virgin olive oil, check out this video. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is a formidable player among anti-inflammatory foods. Whether consumed fresh or in powdered form, ginger boasts an extensive list of advantages, ranging from cancer prevention and cholesterol reduction to treating indigestion and lowering blood sugar levels. Number 2. Honey. With the onset of spring, allergies can wreak havoc. When faced with low energy or allergy-like symptoms, I opt for a spoonful of local honey. Honey stands out as an incredible food with a plethora of benefits, serving as an antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory agent that covers a wide range of functions. Number 1. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are significantly powerful for your immune system. They help strengthen it and also downregulate it when it becomes too active. Mushrooms are deemed beneficial for the immune system, potentially impacting autoimmune conditions due to various factors. Rich in beta-glucans, particularly in varieties like shiitake and maitake, mushrooms stimulate the immune system by enhancing the activity of macrophages. Additionally, their antioxidant content, including selenium, vitamin C, and vitamin D, helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, commonly associated with autoimmune diseases. Some mushrooms, such as reishi and cordyceps, function as adaptogens, potentially aiding the body in adapting to stress and maintaining immune balance. Moreover, certain mushrooms, when exposed to sunlight during growth, produce vitamin D, essential for immune regulation. Autoimmune diseases encompass over 80 various health conditions, affecting an estimated 23.5 million people in the United States. If you or a loved one is grappling with this diagnosis, you understand the frustration and debilitation that often accompany the symptoms. The most prevalent autoimmune diseases include Hashimoto's disease, lupus, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes. Although the precise causes remain uncertain to scientists, it is established that both genetics and the environment play roles in the development of these conditions. This underscores the significance of lifestyle changes, such as incorporating specific foods into your diet, as a potent component of your treatment plan. Inflammation is a natural facet of your body's immune response, with an unhealthy digestive tract often being the culprit. When the cells lining your digestive tract become lax, undigested food and bacteria can seep into your bloodstream, provoking irritation and triggering painful inflammation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.